Hi, I'm Miss Rozman, and welcome to this week's edition of Video Fundations. This week, we'll be talking about digraphs and welded sounds. We'll also be introducing two new suffixes. Take out a piece of paper and something to write with, and let's get started together. First, let's review our digraphs. Remember, a digraph are two letters that make one sound, and it's a new sound. I'll say it first and you repeat. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, CK, sock. Great job. Now, let's take a look at some of our welded sounds. Remember, in welded sounds, each letter makes its own sound, but the letters are stuck together. That's why some people call them glued sounds. I'll say it first and you repeat. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. Super. Now, let's take a moment to think about suffixes. Wait, what is a suffix? A suffix are letters that are added to the end of a word, and they change the meaning of the word a little bit. One suffix we use a lot is the letter S. When I add the letter S to the end of a word, it means there are more than one. Let me show you an example. If I say there is one kid, kid without an S is just one, right? That's one person. When I add an S to make it say kids, now I know there's more than one person, right? Like a whole group. Another suffix we use is ing. You might recognize this from ing, ring, ing. When I add ing to the end of a word, that means it's happening right now. So instead of saying the kids like to play, I could say the kids are playing, and I know that's happening right now. Let's practice with some words together. Some of these words will use a suffix and some of them will not, so you'll have to listen closely. Let's check it out. These are lips. Let's tap out the word lips. L, I, P, S, lips. Do you hear a suffix at the end? Lips. That's right. There's a suffix S at the end of lips because you have more than one. Good work. Here is a pile of rocks. Let's tap out the word rocks. R, A, K, S, rocks. Rocks. There's a suffix S at the end because that picture had more than one rock. I also see CK digraph. Nice job. This boy is dancing. Ooh, I hear another suffix. Dancing. He's doing it right now. Let's see if we can tap out the word dancing. D and ing. Dancing. Wow, this word was full of good things. D and ing. Dancing. I see a suffix ing at the end. I also see a welded sound. An, fan, and dancing. Good work. Here is a bed. Let's tap the word bed. B-e-d. Bed. Terrific. Fancy. This is a picture of a fancy suit called a tux. Let's tap out the word tux. T-a-x. Tux. How did you do on that one? T-a-x. Tux. Excellent job. Here is a clock. First, can you read what time it is? That's right. It's 3 o'clock. I can see that the hour hand is at the 3 and the minute hand is at the 12, which means o'clock. So this time is 3 o'clock. Okay, let's get back to foundations. Let's tap the word clock. K-o-a-k. Clock. Whoa, I hear a blend at the beginning and a digraph at the end. Let's tap it one more time. Clock. K-o-a-k. Clock. How did you do? K-o-a-k. Yeah, there's a CL blend at the beginning and a CK digraph at the end. Excellent job. That was tricky. The stop sign means it's time to stop. Wow, you worked hard today. I'll see you next time.